Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to automate dividend reinvestment on M1 Finance, a smart way to grow your portfolio through compounding. If you're looking to make the most of your investments, this guide will show you how to set up and manage dividend reinvestment seamlessly. Let's get into it. Log in to your M1 Finance account. Start by logging into your M1 Finance account via the website or mobile app. Ensure your account is funded and ready for investment. Enable Auto Invest. Go to your account settings and locate the Auto Invest option. Toggle it on to enable automated investing, ensuring that dividends and other cash balances are reinvested once they reach your specified threshold. Set a minimum reinvestment threshold. M1 Finance allows you to set a minimum cash balance that triggers reinvestment. For example, you can set it to $10, meaning dividends will be automatically reinvested once this amount is available. Customize your investment pie. Ensure your investment portfolio or pie is set up with your desired allocation of stocks and ETFs. M1 Finance will use dividends to buy fractional shares, keeping your portfolio aligned with your chosen percentages. Monitor dividend activity. Navigate to the Activity tab to track dividend payments and see how they're being reinvested. M1 Finance provides detailed insights into the sources of your earnings and their reinvestment status. Adjust settings as needed. You can revisit the Auto Invest settings anytime to change your threshold or turn the feature off if you prefer to manage investments manually. Enjoy the benefits of compounding. With automated dividend reinvestment, your earnings generate more earnings over time, helping your portfolio grow faster without any extra effort. Automating dividend reinvestment with M1 Finance is an easy way to maximize returns and stay on track with your financial goals. Have you tried this feature on M1 Finance? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.